So here it is, Metal Mechasaur, or Retrosaur as I've called it, which is a valid name. Very old drawings over 100 years ago of dinosaurs are now called retrosaurs. So what motivated me to do this? Well, people saw a mechasaur and said, well, it's plastic, I'd rather it was metal. So this has been on my mind for a long time, and so I finally decided to have a go at it in metal. It's fairly accurate in most places, so the tail is accurate, so are the feet and the legs. The head's fairly accurate, but the neck isn't, and there's a good reason for that, and that is the thing's becoming too heavy. So you might notice that the whole thing's leaning forward, and it really is because the head section is too heavy, and I need to do something about that. I'm not sure at the moment what to do, but it needs to be dealt with. It walks very poorly because of it and can fall over. Things which I have not done in metal are this part here, because of the slots in it. That's a 6mm slot, that's a 4mm slot at an angle, off vertical. How do you do that in normal Meccano? I've no idea. Also the motor box, no, and the Arduino and battery box is also a no. The final thing which I hope to do is these flexible strips at the top, which are in plastic at the moment. They might still be in plastic, but I hope to get them as a grey colour, but I haven't got the parts at the moment. What else to say about it? There's a lot of 1/4 inch spacing in the Mechasaur, so there's an example there. So I've managed to use a 2-inch strip centre hole there. The legs were very difficult. There's a lot of 1/4 inch spacing in the legs, so there are some very awkward arrangements to achieve that. So effectively, this leg needs to be 1/4 inch higher than this one, and that was very difficult. So anyway, let's give it a go at having it work. So I'm just going to do start up and walk, and I'm going to have my hand near it on the walk because it is likely to fall over. There you go.